Hey there, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. I hope you're having a fantastic Wednesday. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you want to learn how to become financially free and break out of the 9-to-5 rat race that you're stuck in, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, follow along. We talk about stocks, crypto, how to invest, and even if you don't have a whole lot of money and you think it's just hopeless, we try to teach you how to ramp that up, accelerate the process, and get you financially free as quickly as humanly possible. If you like the sounds of that, make sure you hit the like button for me. Helps me get these videos out to more people. So let's get right into the market today. Needless to say, yesterday was disappointing. I thought we was going to have a little bit of a bounce yesterday. We had a pullback on Monday. I thought yesterday we'd surely have, about a 1% bounce. And one of the plays that I called out yesterday was the TQQQ, which, needless to say, was horribly disappointing. I picked it up yesterday at, $22.15 in the pre-market. I thought that was a good price. I thought we'd get a 1% bounce in the markets, and it ran up to about 22.80ish. We'd make about 3% on that trade, but that's not what happened. The markets ended up tumbling down. We ended up with the S&P down almost 1.5% yesterday, Dow down 1.03, and the NASDAQ down 2% on the day. So with all that happening, the TQQQ just fell. I did end up picking up another position down at 2060, which this morning is still out of the money. So the TQQQ just continuing to fall. Now the pre-market this morning, we've got the S&P down almost 0.25%, and I would have to say that I feel like we're going to get a bounce today. We had a pullback on Monday. We had a bigger pullback yesterday. That pretty much, those two right there pretty much wiped out all the gains that we made last Wednesday. So as long as people are thinking that the Fed's going to ease up and that we could see a 50 basis point hike, 0.5%, then I think that the market has some room to run. So I'm definitely expecting to see the market rally a little bit today. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Hopefully my TQQQs will come in. Now, one of the other plays I called out yesterday was IMPP. I said anywhere under 33 cents I thought was great. I picked up a position in that at 32.5 cents. I was really happy to get that. Already up this morning in the pre-market. I got a sell order out. If it hits 34.5 cents, it'll make me a nice solid 2-cent gain. They haven't sold yet, but it's right there on the brink, so hopefully we'll get that sell very soon. And the other stock that I bought yesterday was Coinbase. Now I picked up some Coinbase. I said anything under 43 I thought was a great price. Picked it up at $42. I thought that was fantastic, and I think that there's a lot of chance that we can make a good return on that today, especially if we get a little bit of a bounce out of crypto. Now right now crypto is down. Crypto is taking a pretty good beating this morning. But we'll see how that develops throughout the day. But we do have Bitcoin down over 1%. We got Ethereum down about 3%. So crypto's looking pretty rough this morning. Could give us some great crypto buying opportunities. We got Algorand down 4%, almost 5% on the day, which is one of the projects I absolutely love, and one of the projects that's been beat up more than a lot of the other cryptos has been lately. So definitely might want to look at Algorand if you don't have a position in it. Down here around 22 cents. Oh, excuse me. Down here around 22 cents could be a great buy. Now we also had, I called out the WISA yesterday. We made some money on that. It had ran up, got up over 14 cents yesterday. Dropped back down. I said I was looking to pick up a position under 11 cents. We had picked up one before down at 10.70. Showed a little bit of a good buy zone right there between 10.5 3/4 cents, but we was not able to get into it. It just didn't drop down that low yesterday. I think the lowest we hit was right around 11.5 cents yesterday. However, we've got the pre-market today, and it is down here. Currently sitting at 11 cents right now. It's already been down to about 10.74 cents. So we could get a good buying opportunity down around the 10.5, 10.7 today. If the market does have another bad day, might even be able to pick it up closer to the 10 cents flat. As long as it stays above 10 cents, I still think this play's got some real room to be able to bounce and give us that, pick it up under 11, sell it in the upper 12s. That's a great ROI. We made 16.8% on it last time, but I really don't want to see it break below 10. So far, 10 has been the floor. If it breaks below 10, I definitely have a stop loss kick me out right there, because I don't want to see it go below 10. If it drops below that, then we could leg down a little bit more on it. This is one of those plays, a little bit riskier. However, at 10 cents, unless you just go in and buy tens and tens of thousands of shares, you're probably not going to risk too much money on this play. And like I said, it's got a lot of potential. I definitely see it playing in this range of the upper 10s to upper 12s, as long as we hold that 10 cent line. So I'm definitely going to be looking at picking up a position in WISA. So that's kind of the stock picks I got for you today. That's what I'm going to be looking at, what I'm going to be playing. As far as our Coinbase goes, we may end up getting a chance to buy another position. We may not get that bounce today, especially if crypto does continue to hold down. However, if the market picks up, crypto starts to pick up, and we can get this to run up $45, $46, that could be a great exit point, especially with the market cooling off a little bit and with crypto having a bad day. We may not get there, but that would be a great ROI for us. And if it does drop, if crypto just takes a beating today, we see this drop down around $40, $39 range, I'll just load up another position and we'll be ready for it when crypto does bounce, maybe tomorrow, and we'll be able to cash out then. So that's what I'm going to be playing. I hope you're following. Make sure you leave it in the comments, what stocks are doing the best for you, and if you got any questions, leave that in the comments as well. Till next time, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions, always trade by the numbers.